Cross your fingers for no penalties. Please, no penalties. Cross your fingers for no broken metatarsals. Cross your fingers, there are no tears this time. Cross your fingers, there's no silly bookings. That he does have a good touch for a big man. That the little man doesn't see red. And for the keeper to guess right or left. Cross your fingers, we'll be the ones celebrating. Cross your fingers, we're in the right place at the right time. Cross your fingers for England to hold their nerve. And with a bit of luck, we can do it. Cross your fingers with Kit Kat.